I'm not sure if I should tell you a story about my skin care, my skin journey. Like, those who know me very well, they know I've had struggled. I have struggled with hormonal acne, like, and now look at my skin. This, I'm using my normal camera, and this actually is my selfie camera, and look at how gorgeous my skin looks. And not forgetting, look at this hammock. Ah, la, 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 la. Ah, I got it up today, so I'm gonna enjoy. Oh, la 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 la. It's so windy. I'm not sure if the sound is clear on this video, but I think I think I'm gonna tell you. Do you know this thing? Do you see this tree here? It has a long story, but a beautiful one. But you see that? Let me see if I can pull. Oh, this run away! It's running away. Please, may I? May I touch you? Just touch me. Touch me again. Again. Thank you. See these leaves? Do you see these? Those who are not from coast, they call it Mwarubaini. The people in the coast call it Mkilifi, lifesaver. How many times this tree has saved my face? But I'll be selfish to say it worked alone. It worked very, very well in drying them and minimizing the spread. It calms down the irritation, but there are more things that I had to use to cure the texture, because I had so much pores around this area, around my cheeks, like right here. I had so much, my pores were like big. They were not like that. Yeah, you see the lighting? They were not like that. And so I have like, sometimes I do like 8 to 10 skincare routine. Sometimes I do 2, sometimes I do 3. It depends with what's going on around me. But majority of the part where I had that crazy breakout, I used mostly the neem tree, those neem leaves. I use them as a mask. So since I have let the cat out of the basket, I'm going to make a video, full video of how I prepare the mask and how I use it, and then I can share with you the entire skincare routine. Otherwise, I'm enjoying my skin, and then on top of that, I'm enjoying the hammock. On top of that, the breeze is so enchanting. Oh, it's so comfortable here, like so very comfortable. What else am I enjoying? Being alive, being healthy, and having amazing people who support me. I love you. I love you. This was not actually meant to be like a video, but here we go. I'm gonna put it out there, and then I will definitely prepare that skincare video so I can share with you in case you know somebody who's struggling with their skin. Say my name. Bye bye. I love you. Let me enjoy the hammock for now. Oh, woo! Uh-uh. I love this girl so much. I love this woman so much. I am so kurukakaka. Bye. Bye. Take care.